everyone, today we are going to see how to make Google form on the Chromes. So we will have to enter in the Chrome. Here we are entering in the Chrome page. So as soon as you will enter the Chrome page, you have to go into your search box and type Google form. As you enter over here in this page, you can see two websites are open. The first one you don't have to select. The second one you can see Google Forms free online survey. This one you have to tap. Then as you enter in this page, you can see that two sections are there. First one is this one, go to Google Form and learn more. So we will go to Google Form. Now here is the page open for the Google Form. Here you can create your test papers. So for the schools, if they want to enter their school name, so here they can enter the school name. Suppose school name will come over here in the first heading. Then the second, form description means whatever you want to mention below your paper. Standard, space, subject, space, date. So all this you can enter in the above section. Now as you can see in this page, there are some small icons are visible. Here is the if you want to now start to make your paper, first thing you have to enter the name. So for the name we will type over your name and we will put dash. Okay, now here you can see as soon as you entered the name, one box has came, that is short answer, means the student will write answer on that given line, this given line. Okay, so it will be automatically selected. Second thing, you have to put that name into required mode, means you have to tap on the required mode. It will be necessary for the child to enter the name. Second thing that you have to notice over here in the page is that this section, this below section, down section, this is very important for your use. Here you can first one see, this is the add one, means you have to enter add more number of questions over there. Then this is the title tap box, where you can tap that button so that if you want to enter the titles, suppose question number 1, answer the following question. Question number 2, who said to whom. For the titles you are going to use that. Okay, let us see by adding roll number section. So I have added one more section. Now here you can see again it has shown short answer, means it is given one dash line so that the child can enter the roll number. So this also we can tap on the required mode. Now here the question begins. So first we are going to select the TT over here. So question number 1, answer the following question. Okay, so here you will enter the answer the following question. You can see only answer the following section is there. No question pattern has came over here. The things like multiple choice answer, short answer type question answer, all those things are not been selected because this is the title, not the question part. So now we are going to tap on the add button and we will write the question number 1. What is the name of your dog? What is the name of your dog? Question mark. Now here you can see the answer section has already came, right, short answer. So you can leave that in that mode. You can tap on required, then add if you want to add one more question, then put title if you want to add second title, that is who said to whom. So like this you can make your second title. Now tap on add button. You can put question, I am not talking to you. Now see, here we have taken multiple choice, this who said to whom. So here we have to select from this drop down button like which type of questions we are going to give them. Like they have to choose either, wait, short answer, first one, short answer type, paragraph type, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop down, file upload, linear scale. All these different types of options are available for writing the answer. Now this teacher will decide which format she wants to give. So suppose I want to take multiple choice. So here as soon as you will select multiple choice, one option button will come and this another one will come, so that you can keep multiple options. So we are going to tap on them and put the options. Ram said to Shyam. This is the first option it has came. We can put other option also. Ram said to his mother. So this is the second option it has shown. Now you can tap it on again required mode. Then this is the way how you have to complete your Google form test by using title and add button. Now suppose if you want to add picture. Now here you can see I have circled one icon is there, picture icon. So on that we have to tap for putting the picture. I will tap on that and now I will tap on browse. So as soon as I tap on browse, I will click on files and then I will take picture from here. That is, it is getting uploaded. You can see that. Okay, now here you can see with the question, this image has been came. So this is the way how you can put image if you want your Google form to be attractive. Okay, like this you all can add videos also, YouTube videos and other things also. Okay, now one more important thing to be noticed on this Google form, that is for how much marks you all want to keep your answers. So I will go over here. We can see 3 dots over there. We will go and tap on settings, the second option, that is settings. So here we will go. So as soon as you enter into the setting, what you have to do is click on the arrow button of the corner over there. We will click on that. Now you can see third option has been added, that is quizzes. On that you have to tap. Now you will tap, put this tab onto the on mode, make this as quiz. So I will tap it. Now you can see immediately after each submission, the later after manual review, missed questions, correct answers, point values, everything will be visible to the child. Now we can put this in the save mode. I will tap on save. Then now I can enter the marks for my questions. Suppose this is my first question, so I will tap on that question and then I will put marks for that. So for that you can see one blue box is coming over there. You have to tap on that box. As soon as you will tap, that point section will come, how much marks you want to give, and here add a correct answer option will come, where you have to enter the answer which you want from the child to put. So I will add the point 1 mark and I will put answer the name of my dog is Moti. So this is how I will put it now in the done mode. I will tap on done because I have already put the marks and already right answer I have given. So I will tap on done button. Now you can see the answer has been added over here, which will not be visible to the child, but for the correction part it will be there in the Google. So same wise we can use for the multiple choice also over here. We will tap on that section. Now here you can see again the blue box is there. So we will go on that box, tap and put marks first, and then we will click on the correct answer. Here in this section you have to tap on the right answer, circle. Ram said to his mother. This is in the now green mode. This is the correct answer from that both options. Now we can tap on done. Okay, so this is how you have to prepare your paper. Now here you can see the point is there. However mark you want to give, you can see that the marks has been completed over there in total points. Now one more thing to be kept in mind of the Google form is that you can see over here one send option is there, icon is there. So you are going to tap on that link button and then send button, and then you can see over here one icon is coming that is like link. So you have to click on that link button and then click on copy. So as soon as you will click on copy, it will be get copied, and wherever you want to send you can go in that site and copy paste there. So this is how you have to make your paper, and after making the paper you can go in the preview button. And so where is the preview? So again you can see over here 3 dots option is there you can go and see your paper. In the first one, preview. So here you can see how your paper is going to be looked after making. Here is the submit button. While submitting, the child will tap on that. So I hope you all must have understood how to make the paper on Google Forms.